We're going to install auto vent shades, AVS vent shades on a Chrysler Pacifica 2026. First thing you want to do is take the alcohol wipes that they give you. You want to clean the areas that they go in. We have already sized them up to know where the locations are. You do have a front and a rear. So I go across both of them, back and forth, get it nice and clean. And then they give you two, one for each window. I like to use both of them on both windows. So we'll do this spot again. Get this area right here real good. That's where the wind's going to hit it the most. And get that nice and cleaned up. And then come over to the back window and get that trim piece all cleaned up. And nice and clean. Let it dry there. While it's drying, I like to pull the front tape off right here. It does take a little bit to get it off. You don't have a cut in or anything. And then I like to start the second one on the top. Peel that one back a little ways, bend it over so it's sticking out the top. Just like that. And then on the other end, the down one on the back, other than shade for the front window. I like to grab that one and pull that one down a little ways so it's also sticking out inside the shade there, like so. You can see it, make a little tab out of it. And then I'm going to line it up here on the window. Just like we want it. Get our groove right in there. And then we'll tack it in place with the front and the back. Now it's tacked. We can grab our top piece that we've got sticking out. And then we can push that down as well as we go. Get to the back here, pull the back one out as well. And tape up the top. And then take a rag. And then rub it really, really good. All down here. You want to get some pressure on it. 3M tape is pressure sensitive. Get that glued down. And it's rubbed in real good. Easier to do with a rag. Not burn your fingers that way. Rubbing back and forth. Alright, then we'll go to the back one. We'll peel our front one off. And then we'll get our top one started. Make a tab out of it. And then on our back end, that one started, get a tab started on that one. So we got a tab there. We got the front one off. We got a tab on the top to grab. Grab our ends with our fingers. And we're going to line it up. About even front to back. I want to be right on that line there. Push her down, put it in place. Pull our tab out, start on top, push down, pull some more, push down. it's all like tape off. Then we're gonna give it a good rub down all the way around. Rubbed in real good. Put some pressure on there. The adhesion is good. Get that trim. I've used these on many cars. I already installed one on the other side. Give this one a nice rub down. And there you have it. Front and rear vent visors installed made by AVS auto vent shade on a 2026 Chrysler Pacifica. Hope you like it.